Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and I'm back. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nothing Phone 1 case that we purchased with the Nothing Phone 1. This is a transparent case for the device, which we'll have a quick look at and see if it's worthwhile. Now, to open the packaging, I'm not sure how we get into it. Oh, it's just the same as the phone itself. There's a little red tab you pull on, and the box opens up at the top, and in this case you slide out the case. So pretty simple packaging, if a bit over-engineered in my view. This is, in this case, cardboard in the inside. Good to not see that styrofoam there. And it's pretty simple. You just slot the Nothing Phone 1 into its case, and you have an unobstructed view of the glyph interface on the back of the phone. So let's have a quick look at the case itself. So on the left hand side you have your volume rockers with button extensions. Volume up works fine, volume down works fine, no issue there whatsoever. The power button, that works fine as well. There's nothing impeding your finger from performing gestures from the top or the bottom, so that's great to see. And cut out at the top just for the microphone hole, at the bottom for the speaker grill and the microphone hole and your Type-C port, and that's it. I can't see any other detailing on this case. There's nothing in terms of branding on the case. So I'd say that's pretty decent. In terms of raise or lip at the side of the device, there's, I would say, just under 1 millimeter there. So there is some raise to put your phone down on a surface. That should be fine. And it's transparent at the back. Camera protection, it is pretty much flush with the camera module. So I would recommend not putting this phone down on its back with this case on, because you are at high risk of scratching those lovely cameras. In that case, these are two 50 megapixel sensors. Anyway, in terms of protection, it seems to be good, uniformly spread across the device. It offers corner protection, slight lift at the screen, and good protection for the back, but not so much for the camera module. So there you go. Simple case from Nothing for the Nothing Phone 1. I would say if you're getting this on a deal, as we did with our pre-orders, with £20 off from the pre-order, maybe it's worth it. But I think it's time to start shopping on AliExpress to find some better cases, probably at a better price as well. Obviously, the experience of the packaging, how it comes out, and the case is lovely, but I think that value for money, this is a bit of a stretch, as in you must really be wanting the very Nothing branded experience to buy that case. The markup on this must be ridiculous. Anyway, it's a decent case. It will do whilst we wait a few weeks for new cases to arrive from China. We'll pop a link in the description to where you can purchase this on the Nothing website, as well as where you can see our other videos of the Nothing Phone 1. So we have already done our unboxing and our setup videos for this device. And once Lukash gets his hands on the device, he'll be testing the Tesla features on the Nothing Phone 1. But for now, thanks for watching this video, and goodbye from me.